Finding the perfect face cream can completely change your skin and confidence. I've tested and researched the most popular options on Amazon to help you choose faster. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or long hours under screens, these creams deliver real results. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 face creams worth your money right now for everyone watching today. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream from CeraVe is a dermatologist-recommended formula designed to deliver long-lasting hydration and restore the skin barrier. I like how it contains 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid that help retain natural moisture throughout the day. The texture is rich but non-greasy, making it perfect for daily use on normal to dry skin. It absorbs smoothly and keeps skin soft without clogging pores. This cream is fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin types. With consistent use, it improves overall skin texture and reduces dryness. If you want affordable, reliable hydration that works in all seasons, this moisturizer is a top choice available on Amazon right now. Neutrogena Hydroboost. Neutrogena Hydroboost from Neutrogena is a lightweight, gel-based moisturizer that delivers intense hydration without feeling heavy. I love how quickly it absorbs into the skin, leaving a fresh and smooth finish. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, it locks in moisture and improves skin elasticity. It's especially great for combination and oily skin types because it doesn't leave an oily residue. This moisturizer works perfectly under makeup and sunscreen. With regular use, skin looks plumper and more radiant. It provides long-lasting hydration and helps prevent dryness caused by environmental stress. If you prefer a refreshing, water-light face cream, this is one of the best options on Amazon today. Roche-Posay Toleriane Moisturizer. Roche-Posay Toleriane Moisturizer from Roche-Posay is specially formulated for sensitive and reactive skin. I appreciate how gentle and calming this moisturizer feels immediately after application. It contains ceramides and niacinamide to strengthen the skin barrier and reduce redness. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly without causing irritation or breakouts. It's fragrance-free and dermatologist-tested, making it ideal for daily use. This cream provides balanced hydration while helping skin feel comfortable and protected. Over time, it improves skin smoothness and resilience. If you struggle with sensitivity or dryness, this reliable face cream is a smart choice for maintaining healthy, hydrated skin all year round. Olay Regenerist Cream. Olay Regenerist Cream from Olay is a powerful anti-aging moisturizer designed to improve skin firmness and texture. I like how it combines peptides and niacinamide to reduce fine lines and support skin renewal. The texture feels rich, yet absorbs efficiently, leaving skin smooth and soft. With consistent use, it helps improve elasticity and overall radiance. This cream works well for both morning and nighttime routine. It provides deep hydration while targeting visible signs of aging. Many users notice firmer and youthful-looking skin within weeks. If you're looking for an effective anti-aging face cream that balances hydration and performance, this is an excellent Amazon bestseller to consider. L'Oreal Revitalift Cream. L'Oreal Revitalift Cream from L'Oreal is designed to fight wrinkles and improve skin firmness. I love how smooth and nourishing the formula feels on the skin. It contains pro-retinol and hyaluronic acid, which help reduce fine lines while boosting hydration. The cream absorbs well and doesn't feel overly heavy, making it suitable for daily use. Over time, skin appears smoother and more lifted. It also enhances overall glow and texture. This moisturizer works well under makeup and pairs easily with other skincare products. If you want a budget-friendly anti-aging cream with proven ingredients, this is one of the best face creams available on Amazon today. Clinique Moisture Surge. Clinique Moisture Surge from Clinique is a refreshing gel cream that delivers long-lasting hydration. I really enjoy its lightweight texture that instantly cools and comforts the skin. It provides up to 100 hours of moisture, helping skin stay plump and smooth. The oil-free formula makes it suitable for all skin types, including combination and oily skin. It layers perfectly under sunscreen and makeup. With continued use, skin looks more radiant and healthy. This moisturizer also helps strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. If you want a premium, hydrating face cream that feels light but performs powerfully, this is a fantastic choice available online. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream from Kiehl's is known for its balanced hydration and lightweight comfort. I appreciate how it works effectively in both hot and cold weather. The formula includes squalene and glacial glycoprotein to help retain moisture and strengthen the skin barrier. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy finish. This cream keeps skin soft, smooth, and hydrated throughout the day. It's suitable for normal, dry, and combination skin types. With regular use, it improves skin texture and resilience. If you want dependable hydration from a premium brand, this face cream is one of the most trusted options on Amazon. Tatcha Water Cream. Tatcha Water Cream from Tatcha is a luxury moisturizer with a unique water burst texture. I love how lightweight and refreshing it feels on application. It contains Japanese botanicals that help refine pores and improve skin clarity. This cream delivers hydration while controlling excess oil, making it ideal for combination and oily skin. It absorbs instantly and leaves a smooth, soft finish. Over time, skin appears more balanced and radiant. The elegant packaging also adds a premium feel to your skincare routine. If you're looking for a high-end face cream that hydrates without heaviness, this is an excellent choice online. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair from First Aid Beauty is designed to soothe and deeply hydrate dry, irritated skin. I like how effective it is for repairing rough patches and calming redness. It contains colloidal oatmeal, which helps relieve itching and sensitivity. The rich formula absorbs surprisingly well without leaving a greasy residue. It's fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin types. With regular use, skin feels softer, smoother, and more comfortable. This cream works well in harsh weather conditions and dry indoor environments. If you need intense repair and hydration, this face cream is one of the best options available online. Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream. Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream from Eucerin is perfect for very dry and rough skin. I appreciate how deeply nourishing this formula feels after application. It contains ceramides and natural moisturizing factors that help restore and maintain the skin barrier. The texture is rich but absorbs well without stickiness. With consistent use, it improves smoothness and reduces flakiness. This cream provides long-lasting hydration and strengthens skin health over time. It's ideal for daily use, especially during colder seasons. If you're searching for a reliable and dermatologist-recommended moisturizer for deep repair, this is one of the top-rated choices on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment your favorite cream, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your support helps me create better content. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and deals. See you in the next video soon.